British versus American English. Biscuit. Cookie. Sweets. Candy. Holiday. Vacation. Autumn. Fall. Lift. Elevator. Film. Movie. Lorry. Truck. Happy. Ecstatic. Difficult. Arduous. Confused. Baffled. Beautiful. Stunning. Dangerous. Perilous. Bright. Radiant. Rich. Affluent. Brave. Courageous. Do you know what is the advanced English of small? Let me know in the comment. I don't know. To be honest. By the way. Let me know. Be right back. In real life. Just kidding. Laughing out loud. For your information. I don't care. Also known as. Shaking my head. Don't say. Very hungry. Say. Starving.
I'm starving.
She's starving.
I'm starving, I'm so starving, I'm so starving.
Don't say. Very thirsty. Say. Parched.
I'm so parched.
Don't say. Very happy. Say. Ecstatic.
Brad's ecstatic.
Yeah, I'm ecstatic.
Don't say. Very rainy. Say. Pouring.
It's pouring rain.
When it rains, it pours.
Don't say. Very shy. Say. Timid.
She's timid. I'm a great advocate for timidity.
Timid librarian.
Plus. Minus. Multiply. Divide. Equality. Inequality. Less than. Greater than. Square root. Percentage.